What's up guys, Michael from Stinger Australia, and today I'm actually working on my own 2013 Honda Civic daily driver. I'm actually doing a front speaker or front stage audio upgrade at the moment, and I thought it was a good time to talk to you guys about our InstallPRO branded speaker baffle kit. Now, much to people's amazement, that weather strip you see across the top of your door there is not designed to stop water. It is there to stop the glass from chattering as the window goes up and down. Now, this means every time you wash your car, or pretty much every time it rains, water is going down to the inside of your door. That's why every door has drainage points at the bottom. Now, you've just gone to install your lovely, nice set of speakers, be it a $50 set of speakers, be it $150, $250, $550, and essentially, you're going to be subjecting the back of that speaker to the elements. This is why we came out with our InstallPRO branded speaker baffle kit. Now, these guys come with 2 silicone rings and 2 egg wave back plates. Starting with these guys, they are adjustable in length. You can simply fold them out or fold them in to suit the size of speaker, mounting depth, or the door to clear glass or mechanisms. They are already pre-drilled and they are designed to drop your speaker in like so, mount it in, and you have the back of your speaker protected without losing any form of audio quality from the unit itself, as you can see here. Now, this isn't going to stop the speaker itself from basically getting wet if you decide to submerge your car like your James Bond would. That's not going to stop that from happening. But what it will do is it will stop water from running down the inside of the door and damaging your perfect speakers. Now, some car manufacturers from factory will have something like this in them, but normally it'll only be an extra little lip like you see here on the speaker spacer. Or there'll be a plastic housing that's actually part of the molded speaker that was in the car originally, which you can't retain when you're putting your aftermarket speakers in. Now, the second part to this kit is our egg wave back plate. Now, this is a self-adhesive backing piece of foam. Now, yes, you could use it to hold your eggs in the morning, but what it's actually designed to do is sit directly behind the speaker itself to help with improving sound quality and performance of the speaker. What normally happens is the speaker sound waves come out, hit the back of the door, and then reverberate and basically deflect around the door. This can cause cancellation and poor speaker performance. These guys get mounted directly behind, stuck into the door, and this will improve directing all the sound waves back from the speaker and into the car itself. As I said, these are really easy to install. They're simply a self-adhesive backed, stick them in and away they go. Now, these guys are available in either a 6.5 inch or a 6x9 currently at the moment, with more models coming. And while I've got you here, also, as some of you may notice, in the case of this Honda's factory speakers, you'll see that this isn't exactly a 6.5 inch speaker either. So trying to mount this in place of this can be a little bit difficult. That's where I'm going to show you our new speaker adapter plate series that we've got. So in this case, this is designed for most generic Honda speaker replacements, and it is molded, as you will see, to the same size. So this is so that you can actually take your 6.5 inch speaker, pop it in, click it in place the original speaker, put the original mounting screw back in, and there's no need to damage the vehicle. Everything is exactly as it is if you were ever going to return to putting the factory questionable speakers back in. These are available for a wide range of cars. We do them for Japanese, European, and American cars. And if you jump on our website, stingeraustralia.com.au, you can then see the wide range of these guys to see which ones we do for your car. Now, I'm going to get back to installing my speakers so I can drive this to work tomorrow. So hopefully you found this informative. If you've got any questions about our InstallPRO Baffle kit or our speaker adapters, leave it in the comments section below and we'll get back to you.